So in Guardian here on BetAngel, let's try a little automation to make life a bit easier. So with the Guardian page open, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the automation tab up the top. Then if you haven't already got it, I'm going to import a rules file which you can download from the site to your desktop, and then you just import it straight into Guardian. So there we are, we've got live sports trading 25%, and we're going to apply the rule to this first market, Stratford. So we just go across automation rules, wind down all our automation rules. Yes, I've got far too many, and half of them I don't know what the hell they do. And we click on live sports trading, and then that's set for that race. Now obviously we need to tell Guardian which horse we want to do it on. So we go to automation nominated selection, and it's Mr. Showman. And that's basically it. We're all set to go. Obviously you can do as many horses as you want and as many races as you want in a day. Hopefully I'm going to get the email out to you with my best bets by 9 o'clock, and you can set them all up for the day, leave it, come back, pick up your money. So I'm going to cut here, and I'm going to go to the start of the race because we're about 5 minutes out now. Okay, so we've got 30 seconds to the off. The bet's going to go in automatically without you doing anything. About 5-10 seconds beforehand, then you'll see the lay appear down the bottom, and then if you keep watching that, you'll see it'll keep the bet as well. And we're coming to it, and there it is, it's fired a bet in. The back's gone in, the offset bet's been set, and there it is, it's kept it as well. So now all we've got to do is now wait for the race. You can go and do what you like, make a cup of tea, and the race is going to go in play any second. They're all lining up. Champagne City, red hot favourite here. We're hoping that the second favourite can get down to 2.32 and give it a shock. Tending to show you a lot of these videos on jump racing. It works just as well on flat, it's just that on jump racing, because everything happens slower, it's actually easier to see how things pan out really. But it works just as well on any race really. Yeah, Champagne City's leading here, putting a bit of pressure on all the other ones. Fahab Ifray not running too badly either. No, he's sort of lobbing along behind the leader. I'd like it to lob closer. But once again you can see that quite often before we actually get our money, the price on a horse will drift quite considerably, which is why we don't use a stop loss. I would suggest that you keep an eye on it, and if you really think your horse is beaten, then save what you can, red out. But an awful lot of horses come back from a very big price to get the ticks, so that's built into the strike rate. So overall it shouldn't make any difference whether you use a stop loss or not. The strike rate of 90%ish, then it's not really going to make a big difference to you. So we're about halfway now, and if I was a gambling man, I'd say Champagne City's going to win this. But of course I'm not a gambling man. But the idea with this automation, and there'll be more automations as well, hopefully I can demonstrate them on a video and then put the bot on site that you can actually download and use yourself. But the idea is the fact that it makes life easier. If you know which horse you want to back earlier in the day, you can just pop it on. You can go out, do the shopping, go down the park, whatever you want to do, and come back and all the bots will have fired in, barring BT broadband going down, the electricity going off, the kids turning the computer off, or anything like that. Now, Sahabi's now coming. I told you it was. There's Mr. Showman's coming back there. Oh, there we go. That's the money. So there was the money. All done automatically. Set that up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Just leave it all day long. Come home 9 o'clock in the evening after you've been down the pub. Pick up your money. And Champagne City's going to win this. So that's the first automation bot. There'll be others appearing on site from time to time in all sports, whether it be horse racing, soccer, whatever. And that's it.